sizzling steak with unlimited rice and unlimited gravy right at the heart of Angeles City. Bukod dyan, meron ding pork steak, may beef pepper rice, sizzling beef pares a la Pares Retiro. There's also burger steak and chicken. This place is called BP Steak and More, located sa May Nepo Center. Open daily from 5 p.m. to 12 midnight. At eto yung mga order natin. Unang-una kong tinikman yung pares kasi ang bango. This is inspired by the original pares from Manila. Sakto lang yung thickness ng sauce, merong slight sweetness at matitikman mo yung mga spices, plus the beef is very tender. Kay Papa naman itong porterhouse steak with a side of veggies. Very affordable yung mga food nila dito ha. Yung price range ng a la carte is anywhere from 200 to 249. Eto naman yung version nila ng beef pepper rice. Naku, ang dami kong kilalang may gusto nito. Tapos ngayon gagawin mo pang unlimited rice and gravy, di ba? Tapos eto, pagdating sa chicken, nako, gusto ko talaga yung naliligo sa gravy, kaya sulit na sulit yung unli gravy sa akin. Up next ay yung 2-piece burger steak. Parang eto yung pinakagusto ko sa lahat kasi kuhang-kuha niya yung timpla na nostalgic sa ating mga Pinoy. By the way, yung unlimited rice pala nila, you have an option of either Java or plain rice. And lastly, eto naman yung pork steak. Eto yung pinakagusto ni Mama sa lahat. Ang laki ng pork pero malambot. Kung ayaw mo naman ng rice, pwede ka rin mag-order nitong kanilang cheesy fries with jalapeno and bacon. Sobrang okay dito mag-food trip after a long day at work or in school. Maganda rin yung ambience kaya masarap ding tumambay, tapos masarap at mura pa yung food.